Crypto newbies, crypto beginners, you're still early in crypto and you're also lucky because there were not any videos like this in the early crypto days. So I'm making one for you. Here's a list of what beginners must know about crypto. I want to thank you for watching this video. My name is John here, giving you some crypto IQ. And if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you're hitting that like button. Let's roll with this video and tune in. All right, I'm not that old, but back in the early crypto days, we were all making so many mistakes in crypto. Whether that was getting hacked or buying into a scam or simply just going all in, making stupid moves. And lucky for you, yes you can avoid all of that right after watching this full video because I'm gonna be telling you exactly what you need to know as a crypto beginner. First thing here is, what is a cryptocurrency, a token, or a stablecoin? What is a cryptocurrency compared to a token or a stablecoin? So a cryptocurrency is something like Bitcoin, where it can be used for payments, it's secure, and mostly decentralized. Now for a crypto token, that is something that has utility within a blockchain or within that project. So let's say one project is a video platform project that offers a utility token for watching more videos. So as you watch more videos on there, you earn that token, which gives it utility. And then the last thing, stablecoin, the name explains itself. A stablecoin is pretty much a cryptocurrency or even a crypto token that stays at a stable price, such as $1. Now, the next thing you have to know, crypto is not a get-rich-quick thing. So everybody wants to be on the crypto rich list, but guess what? Crypto is not about getting rich quick. Most top crypto personalities that you hear about today have been in crypto a very long time and have built projects that have generated their wealth. And being able to innovate and provide value in the crypto industry will work much better than just looking for a random crypto token to buy and then hopefully you get rich from it. Next up, we have the different types of crypto wallets and what exactly they're used for. The two main crypto wallets today are a hot wallet and a cold wallet. A hot wallet is something like a wallet that's connected to your phone or electronic device that has access to the internet. And a cold wallet is a hardware wallet, and it might look something like this. They're highly secure and not connected to the internet, which makes the funds less accessible. Hot wallet can be used for a small amount of funds that you need to be able to move in and out, maybe for payments, but a cold wallet is best used for something you're looking to hold long-term and keep that secured. Since this is a whole new asset class, you will need to expect volatility. Now coming into this market, you need to expect volatility. Look at Dogecoin right here. It made this nice run up. People made a lot of money, but also if you did not sell after a 12,000% gain, Dogecoin had another major correction, bringing it down about 80%. And even now, I think it's down about 90%. So expect volatility. Now, next up, you have to think to yourself, are you looking to trade crypto or are you investing? Now, this is something people get confused about between trading and investing. So if you're coming into crypto and you're looking to buy and just hold something, then you're just investing into it. But if you actually want to learn the price action on times to buy and sell, then you are looking to trade crypto. And that requires a lot more experience. You got to be alert and watch out for scams. And when it comes to crypto scams, there are so many of them to list, such as fake websites, phishing scams, pump and dumps, fake apps, fake celebrity endorsements, giveaway scams. There are so many, as you can see, all these articles do talk about them. Fake verified accounts, fake accounts, catfish, so many things. But a good rule of thumb, always remember, anyone offering any type of investment advice or any type of money in return for your crypto or anything like that, it is 100% a scam. Bitcoin is not going anywhere and it is not too expensive. New people get into crypto and they see that Bitcoin is at a high price. And this sets them off to start looking at altcoins. But remember, Bitcoin is not expensive and it's not too late to keep accumulating some Bitcoin because there is only ever going to be 21 million Bitcoin. The institutional adoption continues to grow. More and more real world use cases, regulation, a growing infrastructure of products and services are happening for Bitcoin. And if we look here, coinmarketcap.com, you can see Bitcoin still remains the #1 cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's not too expensive, and it is not too late to be invested into Bitcoin. Majority of altcoins out there that are listed, the thousands of them, are pretty much useless. So if you look at this long list right here, these are all cryptocurrencies, tokens, stablecoins, the list goes on. I think we're at about 20,000 of them now. But guess what? 95% of these are pretty much useless. So make sure when you're making your selection of what crypto that you're interested in, it's something that has a use case and you understand how the blockchain works and there's actually utility and users using that platform. Because what happens is a lot of these cryptocurrencies come out, they're a cheap price, new investors want to buy them. Usually there's a website, there's a project and a community, but there's no actual use case for the cryptocurrency. Don't believe the hype too much and do not follow those headlines. Now, when I say don't follow the headlines, it's kind of weird because I talk about headlines, but what I mean by don't follow headlines is don't use headlines as a reason why you are making a purchase of cryptocurrencies. It's best to learn and understand the technology and then make your choices based on that and real world adoption and use cases. Now, for the last thing that you should know, which I hope you already know by now, and that is crypto is the future. Now, right here, I have the evolution of money. You can see how that's been changing throughout the years. Thousands of years later, we are now at cryptocurrencies. And when I say crypto is the future, that is just the stage that we're starting out right now. So we can't expect this to last now throughout our lifetime and our kids' kids to be using cryptocurrencies for transactions. And eventually, majority of these forms of money will be gone. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. And before you go, make sure you hit that like button. Check back with us for much more content just like this on the channel. And I'll see you again next time. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.